Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you 5 micro-task apps and websites that can help you make some additional cash online. These can be used to boost your current income, or the earnings can be used to start or grow other businesses, both online and offline. The best part about these micro-task websites is that you don't have to invest any money to get started, and they have a lot of potential to make you money. They're also available all over the world, so you can sign up and start earning money no matter where you are, as long as the method of payment in each platform is available or approved in your country. Keep watching until the end to learn about this brand new secret method. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. Now let's get started with today's video. The first micro-task platform we'll look at is an app. They have apps for both Android and iOS devices, and you can literally work on the go as long as your phone has an internet connection. You can use this app to complete various tasks and earn money. HiveMicro.com is the website I'm looking at for microtask. On this website's homepage, you'll see the phrase, simple task, real money through small jobs, and you can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device. You can sign up for the platform directly or through your Facebook account. So if you already have a Facebook account, you can use it to sign up and skip the steps of giving your name, address, and other information. They have a wide range of jobs that are easy to get. With this platform, you do the task and get paid. You can expect to get paid in both PayPal and Bitcoin. Some of the tasks or micro-tasks you might do here are categorizations, bounding boxes, where you use one or more bounding boxes to mark items of interest, audio transcription, and semantic segmentation, where you classify different pixels or each pixel of an image. They already have over 1 million users on their platform, so we can check out some of their statistics. They have already paid over $2 million to use this platform and are available in over 200 countries. Sign up for an account by visiting the homepage and clicking the sign up button. The second site we'll explore is also accessible from anywhere in the world and provides numerous payout methods. Because it is a peer-to-peer marketplace or micro-task website, you and I can go there to create campaigns and hire people to complete a small task or micro-task for us. That's why this website known as Microworkers.com is so amazing. You can read all about their 100% success rate and the micro-tasks they advertise, such as follow plus like and reply reblog on the dashboard. There are also tasks where you can search and interact with something before sending a screenshot. They will pay you 10 cents for such tasks, and up here where you see different jobs, they also have HG jobs. So when you click there, you'll see that this is where they have available higher group jobs, so that's what HG stands for. You can do different tasks for as much as $1.40 a year for jobs like creating an account on a website. Then you can submit your KYC, which is your identity, which might be an ID or a license, and give a snapshot of the script. And yes, they'll pay you 10 cents for doing such work. And if you look at the top of this page, you'll see that among the different jobs listed, there are some labeled HG, which stands for higher group. Jobs like signing up for a website can earn you as much as $1.40 every year. After that, you'll need to submit your Know Your Customer or KYC information, which includes your identity and can take the form of an ID or driver's license, along with a screenshot of the script. And then you should be good to go. You should be able to complete that much. Here's another work for $2. The good thing about this platform is that you can choose from different ways to get your money. This one called Onto, and the least you can take out is $10. They offer PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and AirTM. Once you reach $5, you can cash out to PayPal, AirTM, or Skrill. Check out the other options to see what the minimum cash out is for each. But before we proceed, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, Clickworker.com, which is also well known online, is a third micro-task site I'm going to show you. Let's go to the homepage so you can see how it looks. Clickworker is about training AI systems to make them smarter and so on. You can expect to do different tasks related to AI training and other things. To find different micro-tasks work here, go to homepage and then click on Clickworker job area. So this will take you to a different part of their website where you can sign up to start looking for other jobs. So if you want to sign up, click here or click register at the top of this page. So this is where you can join a group to look for work. They also have an app for both Android and iOS devices, so if you want to work on the go, you can just download the app and do the different micro tasks there. On this platform, you can do things like write text, sort it into categories, edit it, proofread it, do a mystery visit, test an app, take photos, and record audio. I've used this website many times, and I can tell you that you can make anywhere from 1 cent to $5, depending on how long or hard the work is. Some tasks can pay more than others, depending on how hard or easy they are to do. At number 4 is a website that has already paid me and is a legitimate worldwide platform. The website name is Piccolworkers.com. It's an online marketplace that puts easy, cheap jobs in front of freelancers and business owners from all over the world. So as I've said before, this is another legit microtask website where you can get paid to watch videos, sort text or audio into categories, or take data from a PDF and put it into an Excel sheet. You can expect to do tasks like these on this platform, and they pay through PayPal, so you'll need a PayPal account to take part. So at number 5, we have a website called Timebox.com. It's not new to the channel, but it's a legit platform that lets you make money in different ways or by doing different micro tasks. They also have different ways to pay out, which is a nice thing about this platform. So as you can see, they say you can get paid to post on Facebook, watch funny slideshows, play games, install apps, do micro tasks, and answer surveys. Some examples of micro tasks are watching videos or ads. Once you're on their site, you can sign up using Facebook. On the homepage, it says log in with Facebook, but you can also fill out this form by entering your email and password and completing their reCAPTCHA and then signing up for the platform. On all of these platforms, you must also confirm your account or registration by going to the email address you used to sign up. If you want to make a little extra money or are a complete beginner with no money to invest, these are the legit micro tasks you should look into 2022. You can use extra money to invest in other online or offline businesses or spend it on whatever you want. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please click the like button below. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online, feel free to watch our other videos. Since I post new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new one is available. As always, I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in our future videos.